In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate on click in Canva. Now, it's not a super straightforward thing to do, so make sure you watch the video closely and till the end of the video to ensure you get everything correct, you don't mess anything up. But with that said, let's get right into it. Okay, so what I've gone ahead and done is I've opened up Canva here, and I found myself a presentation that I like. Obviously for you, yours will be different, but just get a presentation that you like. So I've got my opening slide here, and then I have this slide here, which I want to animate. Now, in Canva, you can't animate things on click as such, but there is a little workaround that you can do, which essentially has the same effect. So, what we're going to first do is we're going to go ahead to the slide that we want to animate, and let's say we want to animate these 3 team members one by one onto the page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the 3 dots here, and I'm going to duplicate it by 3 times. There we go. So now that I've duplicated it 3 times, we need to change the pages based on what we want on the page each time. So on this first page, we only want the first girl to be on it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead, select these 2 here, and I'm going to delete them off the page. Next, I'm going to go to the second page, and I'm going to remove this girl from it because I don't want her here, and I'll animate this one on. And lastly, we'll have all 3 of them on the page like this. So once we've gone ahead and done that, we can go over to the first page and we can start animating it. To do that, what we've got to do is we've got to click and drag, and then we're going to go ahead and select this. Make sure you're selecting all the elements for it. So I've got her name, her job title, and the photo of her. And I'm just going to click group. So now we've grouped it as one sort of element. What we're going to do now is we're going to go to the top of the page and we're going to click on the animate button like that. Now from here, we've got a ton of different animations that we can pick. So we've got rise, we have pan, fade, pop. Just go through here and pick which animation you want to put for when you click. So for me, I think I'm just going to keep it simple and I'm going to do the rise one. And what we can do here is we can select some of the settings. So we can do on enter, on exit, or both. Now, because we're going to be going slide by slide, we only want to put on enter because we don't want it to exit when we click to the next slide. We could select the speed here and we can also select the direction, but I'm going to leave these as they are. So now for this one, if I was press present, it should animate this first one. So let's have a look. So I've clicked that and this has now gone up like that. Cool. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go onto the second page and we're going to do the exact same steps but with this next person. So first we'll group it, go to animate, and then we need to pick, well, you can pick a different animation if you want. I'm going to pick the same one to make it look good. And then again, we need to do on enter. Now lastly, we need to go to the very last slide and we can select this and group it. And then we go to animate again and we'll add the same animation and do it on enter as well. So now these 3 should, as we click through the pages, animate up and go into the page like this. Now one thing I'm going to add here is I'm going to add a page, and I'm just going to add another page. Here I'm going to add just a random one, this one here. And now I'm going to click on all of these ones here. And I'm going to group them on the last one. Actually, in fact, I'm going to add one more page here. And I'm going to animate them so that they go out. So rise, I'm going to put on exit. Okay, cool. So now that we've done that, we can go ahead and actually check our presentation here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the first one here. I'm going to click present. And now when I click to the next tab, you see that one goes up like that, animates on click. When I click again, this one animates up here. When I animate again here, it does that. And okay, so one thing I've actually messed up with here is that I've actually added an extra tab kind of. So for starters, she is being animated on this one the whole time. So what I need to do is I need to change the effect so that it's only on the animate in rather than animate out. So select that here, go to effects, animations. Yes, I need to put that to rise. Now what I also need to do is I would need to delete this last page here, and I'd need to go ahead and select them all together as a group. And I would need to also animate it on exit. I think if I do this together, it's going to put them all in one. So let me check this. Yeah, so I don't want to do that. So what I'd have to do is I'd have to create a new group for them all, which is like a different element. And I would have to just put an on exit animation only for those ones. But basically that is how you would go ahead and do it. So we can just look at our presentation. We can click them all. And that's going to go to there like that. That's basically how you do it. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, be sure to like and subscribe and comment down below that it helped you out. Thank you for watching.